Hello, hi everyone out there in Traderland. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade. It is Sunday, December 3rd, 2017, and this is Weekend Edition, good through Sunday, December 3rd, 2017. Anyway, let me introduce myself. My name is D7, and I am the owner and founder of Grok Trade, and we mentor people. That's what we're known for. That's what we do, and we give out a ton of free content just to prove our worth. Hopefully you enjoy the content that we produce for you, and if so, like it, leave comments, do that, and share with a friend if you'd like. Take a look here. Markets on Friday, end the day in bearish territory. Everybody down, 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 down. But the last week of December was the best week in all of 2017 that the markets have had. Really, really quite powerful. Or the last week in November. Last week in November, highly bullish, highly bullish. And here we are. We're just bearish, bearish, bearish. Financials, though, in bullish territory. Keep your eye on that. US dollar up. Crude oil up 1.7%. Gold higher, silver higher, and the VIX, fear still creeping higher. And Bitcoin down 1.7%. 1.7%. And here, whoa, I'm moving too fast. Spider, if you look here, man, we had this massive sell-off, big sell-off on Friday. Down, 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 down. All sorts of news was breaking, and I think more false information. And we came rallying back. So the markets are still really strong here. Diamonds, take a look at that. Up, had to sell up, but we came back. NASDAQ, we have a sell on that, but this dude's getting ready to become a buy. This is a hammer. We did close above the rising 20-day moving average. Small caps Russell's 2000. Up. Man, at one point we had a nasty sell-off on Friday. Just a bad one. It rallied back by days end. Financials, same thing. Went down, broke resistance, rallied back. US dollar down. Listen, US dollar is just in trouble, gang. I got to sell on it. That's what these arrows are. If you don't know what my arrows are, it's just arrows where I called a buy and then a sell for all the public to see. And have a long-term buy here on crude oil, up, and we're still in that. But if it breaks this lower trend line, I'm going to call it a sell. And gold, I have a buy on it, went up, and then really came down, broke a support level, and then it rallied back. So at this moment, I'm going to stay with my buy. I'm a little underwater on this one. I got to see what happens. Silver, got to sell on it, but I think we're at a bottom. I think we got a support level. I think that we have a good chance of going higher. VIX here, we got boom, we're going higher. We had this huge pop on Friday. We come back down. Then I still have to stay with my buy call on fear. Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin is up and away. Almost wanted to put a sell on it. I think we're a little top heavy, like it would do us good to get us a little bit of a pullback here. But at the time of this video, and you can see it's moving, it's in real time right now. This is Sunday evening, 5:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you can see we had this big pop. We were over 11,500. Okay, guys, don't let that be lost on you. This is like all-time record highs on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's here to stay. Bitcoin is here to stay, and I will be talking a lot more about that as time goes. As time's right around the corner, we're going to be doing mentorships on cryptocurrency. We're going to be talking about how you can trade it. We're going to bring you into the know on how to get in on Bitcoin, because at 11,000 right now, that is cheap compared to where it's going. This is the cheapest you're going. I mean, you'll see this thing drop a little bit, but don't expect to see it back down in the 3,000s, 4,000, 5,000 area. Those days are gone. We had our opportunity back then. We missed it. Now we're at the 10, 11,000. I mean, this thing could pull back to maybe a 7,000. I wouldn't think it would even get close to that. More like an 8,000. I could see that. And then get a pullback and then rally higher. I could certainly see that. And I do, for the weekend edition, I want to go back through these, and I want to look at the weekly charts, and I want to show you a couple things here. Spiders were up, breaking resistance. Really strong on the weekly chart. Diamonds, got a buy on it, up, breaking resistance. Just rock solid. NASDAQ, I got a buy on it, up. Didn't break resistance, but still looking fairly strong. But we do have red here. NASDAQ didn't do as well as the rest of the markets on the weekly. Small caps, up. Got a buy on it from way back here in August, and we continue higher. Financials, have a sell on it, and now I have to put a buy on financials. So this one I got wrong. There was one that I said sell, and now I had to say buy. And yeah, that's where we're at. Now listen, for me in the trading world, what we teach in our mentorship program, like at the time of this video, we're in the middle of a mentorship for this month. You can get in on next month. It's 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. You can get in by going to Grok Trade up here. But here's the deal. If it popped over the top of these highs, that would have been my sell. So this one, and when it dropped, my sell would have been on this one when it dropped below this low. That low, that would have been my sell right there. And then when it popped higher here, boom, got in. So I would have been, even that it looks wrong here, I would have been net in the black, net gain on this ever so slightly. And but you guys, all you see is an arrow at the end of the period. That's where it closed, and that end of the period, that's where it closed, and you got a significant difference here on those two. But you can see that this one was a slight money maker, this one was a much bigger money maker, this one was a money maker, that was a money maker, that was a money maker, that was a major money maker. Oh, that was two buys. I did one buy here, a second there. So that's like boom, boom. You killed it on that if you followed me. Yeah, 2016. Okay, so that's the weekly on small caps. We're on the financials, rather. On the financials. Look at the US dollar. I have a sell on the dollar, but this looks like it's going to pop. Look for the dollar to actually be a buy soon. I think it's going to happen. Crude oil weekly chart. I'm underwater on my weekly call on this one. As you guys remembered, I told you back here, I should have had an arrow. I missed it, and it went up here to the resistance. Last month it popped through, and it's just like you can't put a buy on it so extended. So now I'm just having to sit on this one. It's just horrible. Gold. I have a buy on it, popped it up, started going, showing a little bit of pressure. We're under the 20-day week moving average here, so it's under a lot of pressure, but found support here on this trend line. Silver got a boom sell, and then a buy, and then last week here's the problem. I got this big trend line. I've got to put a sell on it, but on the weekly. But the problem is that we're at support. This could easily bounce up from here, and this could just be a nasty looking bull flag that could get bullish. So me putting this could blow up in my face, meaning that I have a decent chance of just staying with my bullish call and it popping. But it's, oh boy, it's just, it broke enough rules for me to put a sell on this, so I could see it drifting down here. The question is, will this blue line serve as support? The VIX on the weekly, I have a sell on the weekly. Now I have to put a buy on the weekly. Here's my buy on the weekly. There it is. We popped up. I got a higher high, higher low. That's just where we're at. Bitcoin weekly, I have a buy on it from back here in the beginning of October, and it's up, and away. Parabolic move to the upside. And let's look at some stocks. You guys like that. Dow 30, see if anything jumps out at me on Friday. Anything? Oh, BA down 2%. Let's go there. Let's take a look at this one. Oh, this is, yeah, I'm under this one too. See, I have a sell on it. This is and then it popped up, and it's right here at this resistance. I'm committed to the sell because it's a rising wedge. I'm good with that. But that one, I'm underwater on. Cisco up 80%. Got a buy on it. 0.8%. So I'm good with that buy. Woo, GE down 2.2%. Oh, I put a sell on that one. So there's a sell on GE. What else do I have here? Any big movers? V 1.65 to the downside, and I do have a sell on it. If it breaks this support, it could get out of control. And let's quickly look at tech stocks, see if anything jumped out on Friday. Let's go to Grok tech stocks. Go up here. And just nasty. Amazon down 1.2%. I'm up. It's just a bull pullback. I'm gonna stay with my buy on that. On Baba down 1.4%. I have a sell on that one. Have a sell on it, and it's still continuing down. Baidu down 1.5%. Got a buy on it. I'm still okay. It needs to bounce soon though. This one, you know, a few days ago I could have put a sell on it right here, and I just as long as it stays above this area, and that's right where we're at, I'm gonna stay with my buy. Because I just think that we've been beat down in NASDAQ and tech stocks, that we should be ready for a rebound. Cisco, oh, I don't need to look at that one. Catfish down 1.3%. Oh man, that's just continuing down. I got a sell on that one. eBay up 1.5%. Got down. I'm not ready to put a buy on it yet. No buy. eBay still on my sell list. Any other big movers here? 1.5. Nvidia down 1.5, and I have a sell on that one. Down. And any others I want to look at? Big movers. That's what I'm looking for. Big movers. I'm not seeing any other big movers. So there you have it. Here's the deal. Cryptocurrency has my undivided attention right now. I've been thinking about it a lot, and I think it reminds me a lot back in the day when I was doing the internet, and I told you guys that already. And a lot of individuals were thinking that the internet was a fad and it was hocus pocus stuff and had no merit, and now it rules the world. Cryptocurrency, I think, is something like that. Bitcoin is the one with the biggest market share at this moment. So that has my undivided attention. I do own Bitcoin now. I am an investor. I'm doing it, but I'm investing. I'm buying Bitcoin, but I'm also investing my Bitcoin, which you can do. So I'm investing my Bitcoin to make more Bitcoin, and that's the savvy thing to do. And so anyway, I have a link down in the description. Feel free to look at it if you want to. But that's what I'm doing. It's not what you have to do. And I am out of here. Hope all is going well in your life and you're getting geared up for Christmas. So there you have it. Take care. We'll catch you guys later. See you. Bye.